Hello and welcome to our last weekly global market outlook of the year. I'm Tolga and today we will be wrapping up an eventful year in the global markets. This week we will recap the key movements and events that shaped the past 7 days and take a peek into what's on the horizon as we head into the Christmas season. Whether you are a finance professional or a market enthusiast, there's plenty to keep an eye on as we wrap up 2024. And a special thank you to each of our 1,200 subscribers and for the fantastic feedback we have received worldwide. Let's dive in. It was a quite tumultuous week across the markets. In the US, a hawkish Fed stance sent ripples through stocks and bonds, with major indexes falling about 2% before a slight recovery rally on Friday. This announcement from the Fed signaled fewer rate cuts for 2025 than anticipated, just 2 next year instead of 4, causing bond yields to soar and the volatility index to spike dramatically. Globally, equities echoed the US sentiment, with major losses seen until late in the week when US PCE data provided some relief. In Forex, the US dollar surged, reaching record highs, impacting pairs like Euro USD and commodities such as gold, which had significant price movements. Over in Japan, the Bank of Japan held rates steady, countering speculations of cuts amidst improving economic data. Geopolitically, the risk of a US government shutdown loomed, adding further tension, though a stopgap funding bill was signed later to avert this. Meanwhile, in commodities, oil prices were pressured by growing demand concerns, a theme likely to continue into the new year. Next week promises to be quieter with the holiday season, but there is still key data to watch. On Monday, keep an eye on the UK GDP data and the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index in the US. Tuesday brings us US durable goods orders and new home sales, crucial for gauging consumer spending and economic health. By midweek, expecting liquidity with the US markets observing the Christmas holiday, but Thursday we'll see the release of weekly US unemployment claims. As for international markets, Japan will release significant Tokyo inflation data, crucial for any indications on the Bank of Japan's policy direction. In the UK, economic data releases will be scarce due to bank holidays, which makes market reactions to GDP releases even more significant. Meanwhile, keep an eye on Turkey, where interest rate decisions could stir market movements. As we close to the chapter on 2024, the global market landscape continues to react and adapt to central bank policies, economic shifts, and geopolitical developments. The key takeaway: staying informed is essential as we venture into the new year. We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our insights. As always, thank you for tuning in, happy holidays, and we look forward to seeing you in 2025.